This is a Agilent Technologies E8363B PNA network analyzer, 10 megahertz to 40 gigahertz. This came out of a closed defense contractor. It's in very nice shape. I'm gonna power it up here, just let you see what it does. Help if I actually plugged it in. In that note, I'll turn it around so you can see on the back here. Here's the back of the unit. And if you can see this tag here, this unit has options 01014, H11, 080, 081, and UNL. The serial number is MY43030747. And as you can see, it's in very nice shape. The unit's not dented or scratched or anything, but you know, it's an expensive piece of test equipment, so I can understand that. Let me power it up and show you what it does. Hang on a second. Push this. Get a good picture of the screen here. Picking up a little bit of the glare on the screen, but you can see the screen's in, I mean, it's in perfect shape. It just needs to be cleaned up a little bit, maybe some Windex. And this is how far we get. I do not have a keyboard hooked up to it, but you can see, you know, just with this mouse, you know, if I hit OK, it gives me this error message. It says, if you know how to get around that, you want me to do some tests, please let me know. Otherwise, that's what it is. I'll take a lot of individual pictures. If you got any questions, let me know. Thank you.